All right, we're back with the 3D printer. I'm about to show you how everything gets hooked up. Then we're gonna go through the setup of it. Backside, everything's pretty straightforward. You just push these tubes in until they stop. 6-pin connector. See 2 slots there. Have a holder for an external spool. Standard, they give you the world's shortest cord. We're gonna make it work. Comes with a safety key. Make sure that's in. Power on. And we're about to go through the setup, and we're just going to follow the on-screen instructions. Alright, we're going to make sure that we did remove all of those. Should be the 4 screws. Took those out, And there was another piece at the top, we took that out for sure. Alright, so looks like it's going to take about 30 minutes. Go ahead and start the calibration. And you'll notice there's foam at the bottom. Let's get in here. There's foam at the bottom here. When I was first unboxing this, it specifically said to leave this here until it's done calibrating. So we're going to leave it alone until it's done calibrating. I'm not gonna make you sit through the whole calibration process, but you get the idea, because we're at 1%, we're gonna be here for a while. All right, we're finally up and ready to do our first print. We're doing something simple. Let's see the profile. We're gonna build a little jet. This, I'm not gonna open it because it's printing now, but these little tabs, you kind of have to push those forward. But the good thing about the AMS is it just auto feeds. As soon as you start to put it in there, it'll start to feed, and then you can load it from the app. Okay, good. I was getting worried because I knew that there's no filament on the other side. I don't know what the sad robot is, but I guess we'll figure that out. I'm afraid to click stuff, but looks like it's starting now. So it's gonna take like 20 minutes, but we'll see. Print's done, I've already took it off, but it's pretty easy. This is just magnetic, so you can just pull this up and slide out. Plate flexes, so it's not that difficult to flex a little bit and get the print to break off, but here we have it, first print. And this actually assembled, there was like a little slot under here and you just slid it through. So there you have it. This is awesome. And I would recommend anybody get a 3D printer. It doesn't have to be this 3D printer, but get a 3D printer, because this is addictively fun. But if you want to see more of this, let me know. And then I'll either break this off into another channel or maybe throw some of the stuff in here every now and then. But that's it for now.